Hello, my dear little kids. Welcome back to my class. Hope all of you are in good health. Dear children, in your previous English class, you have already learned about vowels and consonants. Right, children? So, before starting our today's class, let us recap it once again. Children, now tell me what you can see here. Yes, here we can see two houses. We can see two houses. A small house and the other one is big house. A small house and a big house. Children, do you know what do we do in our house? Yes, very good. We live in our house. We all live in our house and we all have our houses. Like I have a house, you also have a house, then animals also have their houses, right? So here we can see two houses. The name of this small house is Vowel House and the name of this big house is Consonant House. Vowel House and Consonant House. Now, in our English alphabet, we have 26 letters, right? From there, can you tell me how many alphabets live in this vowel house? Very good, you are very smart. Only 5 alphabets live in this vowel house. So children, tell me how many vowels are there in English alphabet? Very good. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. Now can you tell me how many consonants are there? Very good. Yes, you are right. There are 21 consonants. There are 21 consonants. Now children, have a look what I made for you. Is it nice? Do you like it? Okay, thank you. Now you also please take out your copy. At the top corner, write CW and write today's date. Then on the heading write vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Now children, you tell me what is this? Which picture is it? Yes, you are right. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Children, do you know when rainbow comes? Yes, when sun comes out after rainfall, that times a rainbow occurs. Okay, again I repeat, when sun comes out after a heavy rainfall, then the rainbow occurs. Okay. Now, here I have made this rainbow and here I made two clouds. I made here two clouds. I will give a name to these two clouds. First, here in this cloud, I will write the name vowel. So, it's a vowel cloud. Vowels. It's a vowel cloud. And this one is consonants cloud. Vowels cloud and consonants cloud. Repeat after me children. Vowels cloud and consonants cloud. Now here in this rainbow I have written so many alphabets. Can you count and tell me how many alphabets I have written? Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Here I have written 26 alphabets. And yes, in English alphabets we have total 26 letters, right? So here I have written all the letters. Now what we will do? Have a look. Here this cloud's name is vowels cloud and this cloud's name is consonants clouds, right? Now what we will do? We will draw raindrops. Okay? So first A. In which place we have to write A? Under vowels or under consonants? A is a vowel or a consonant? Very good. A is a vowel. So what I will do? I will write A here. And I will make a raindrop. So A I have done. Next B. Tell me children, B is a vowel or a consonant? Very good. B is a consonant. So here I will write B and I will make a raindrop. Now children, tell me, C is a vowel or a consonant? Again you are right. It's a consonant. So we will write it under vowel house. No. Then yes, under consonants house. So here we will write C. And we will again make another raindrop. Next D. D is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a consonant. So we will write D under consonants. And we will make a raindrop. Next E. Children, tell me, E is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a vowel. So where should we write it? Under consonants house? No, then under, yes, vowels house. Here we will write E and we will make a raindrop. Next F. It's a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a consonant. So again we will write here under consonant and we will make a raindrop. In this way, we will put all the alphabets in their correct place. Understood? In this way, we will put the alphabets in their correct place. I have done from A to F. You start doing from G and will end up to Z. From A to Z, you will put the alphabets in their correct place. After finishing, you can do one thing. You can color the raindrops. See how I have colored it? In this way, you can color the raindrops so that it will look nice. Okay? This one also you will color. All the raindrops you will color. Then it will look nice. In this way you will do it. Okay? Now children, please take out a new page. We will do another exercise on vowel and consonants. First, as I always say, before doing some work, you should always read the heading. So all of you read with me. What is written over here? Count and write. Count and write. Now what we have to count and what we have to write? Let's see. Here, number 1. Something is written over here. Let us read it. C-O. Children, please read with me. C-O double F double E. Coffee. Now, vowels and consonants. Now, what you have to do? You have to count how many vowels are here and you have to count how many consonants are here. And you have to write that. Okay. Now, let us do. In this word, coffee, let us find out how many vowels are here. C is a vowel, children. No. Then O is a vowel. Yes. So we will circle O. Next, F is a vowel. No, this F, this is not a vowel. Next, E. E is a vowel. Yes, so we will circle E. Next, here one more E is here. So this one is also a vowel. We will circle this E also. So from this word, how many vowels we got? Yes, we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 vowels. So here we will write 3. And now let us find out how many consonants are here. C. C is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a consonant. Next, F. F is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, again it's a consonant. Then again F, it's a consonant. So we will underline it. So now let us find out how many consonants we have underlined. 1 consonant, 2 consonants and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So children, how many consonants are here in this word? Yes, 3 consonants. So we will write here 3. Okay. Now let us do the next one. Here the word is B-E-A-R, bear. You know bear? Yes, it's an animal. Now tell me children, is it a domestic animal or a wild animal? Very good. It's a wild animal. It lives in forest. Okay, so from this word B-E-A-R, bear, let us find out how many consonants and how many vowels we get. So first, let us circle the vowels. Now tell me children, how many vowels are here? B is a vowel? No. Then E is a vowel? Yes. So E is a vowel. Next, A is a vowel? Yes. So we will also circle A. Next, R is a vowel? No. So from here, how many vowels we got? 1, 2. We got 2 vowels. So here vowels are written. So we will write 2. And now let us find out how many consonants. B. B is a consonant. So we will underline B. R is a consonant. So we will underline R. So how many consonants? 1, 2. 2 consonants we got. So we will write here 2. Okay. Now the next word. Please read with me. B-A-L-L-O-N. Balloon. In this word, how many consonants are there and how many vowels are there? Let us find it out. First we will find out vowel. B is a vowel? No. Then A is a vowel? Yes. So I got 1 vowel. L is a vowel? No. Then again this L is a vowel? No. Then O is a vowel? Yes. Then I will circle O. And I can see another O is here. Then N is a vowel? No. So how many vowels we got? We got 1, 2 and 3 vowels from this word. So here we will write 3. And consonant, let us find out how many consonants. B is a consonant, L is a consonant, L is a consonant, N is a consonant. 1, please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many consonants we got? Yes, we got 4 consonants. 4. So children, I hope that you have understood how you have to do. Number 1, 2 and 3 I have done it for you. Number 4 and 5 you will do it by yourself.